The investigation regarding the gold theft case of Sabarimala is going to find out the real culprits in the case. The SIT, the Special Investigation Team, has already called so many people. They are all having wide political influence, and also they are very important personalities in various political parties. So during the investigation, it is evident that all these party leaders have got enough participation and involvement in the theft case. Regarding Congress and Communist Party CPM, all these parties have got enough involvement in the theft case. It is evident from the inquiry and also the questioning done by the SIT till date. The Congress and CPM leaders are telling clearly, they are telling, keeping mum regarding the involvement of their party leaders. The CPM is not ready to give any type of punishment to their leaders who have involvement in this theft case. The CPM leaders, 3 leaders are there in jail. The Padmakumar, Vasu and Vijay Kumar. All these people have got very close association with CPM. But till date, CPM is not ready to take any action against them. They are telling that the charge sheet should be filed immediately, then only they will take decision regarding whether they have to take action or not. At the same time, so many people, so many police officers here in vigilance cases, the petitions came at the same moment the government has suspended them. Why they are not taking any action against the people who have involvement and also they are got any relation with the theft cases? It is a wonder. Regarding the Congress leader Sonia Gandhi, she has got enough connection with the first culprit accused in this case, that is Unnikrishnan Potti. Unnikrishnan Potti has got enough influence in the Congress party. That is why he has immediately called one MP, Adur Prakash, and he is the convener of the state UDF. He is the main leader of the Congress party in Kerala. So it is very evident that Unnikrishnan Potti has got much influence in Congress party. That is why he could able to manage to reach Delhi and had a detailed discussion with the Sonia Gandhi. So the telephone used by this Unnikrishnan Potti should be verified. In those days, whether he has contacted so many people there in Delhi, the Congress people, Congress leaders, top leaders, whether he has consulted or talked or spoke, all these things has to be inquired. So the inquiry, the SIT is not able to look into the case in deep because they have got their own limitations, because they are Kerala police governed by, managed by, monitored by the Home Ministry in Kerala. They can't go beyond the Kerala limits. So the CBI, ED and NIA, all these agencies are there. They should come up. The IB, Intelligence Bureau, has already given consent for taking up this case. They have clearly stated that it is very essential to hand over this case to the CBI. In such a way, they have given a statement, I think so, given in the High Court. So the CBI only can go through this case. They should interrogate or called all these Congress leaders also. So it has got the connections beyond Kerala limitations. A national, international level, people have involved in this case. The CBI can do all these things very well. So the Bharatiya Janata Party has already filed a case in High Court asking the High Court to give permission for taking up this case. CBI has already filed a statement that they are ready to take up this case.